We recently moved and this is now my shower. It's a little intimidating. You can see the soap scum on there. So really was looking for something that was going to help me clean this shower. So I was sent this for review, really happy about it. I love the packaging. It looks like a gift already and it's pink, which is my favorite color. So let's get out of the package and take a look. Here is the package, and I'm just going to open this up to show you exactly what's inside, but there's so much in here. It's such a great value for what you get. You can see here that it does come with a great user manual that explains all the pieces and parts and lets you know exactly what everything is for. I like that you have some images as well to help you kind of put everything together. So it has this piece, and this is meant to be a handle, so you have a lot of different options when it comes to holding it. You do have this bag as well, which is appreciated because you can put in all the items, so you don't have to store everything separately. You do get this awesome battery, and I love that it's pink as well. That's my favorite color, so it's perfect. You actually get two of these. So I'll show you the other one here in a minute, but here's one of the rods, and I like that you can adjust the size. So depending on what you're cleaning and your height, you can adjust that. You do have this pad here, which is a little bit more scratchy, like a scouring pad. And then you also have one that's a little bit more soft. So this one might be used for, say, if you're cleaning like a mirror or something that's a little bit more delicate. And then you have this little powder puff as well. So again, just in case you needed to maybe dry something, you have that option as well. It's very nice and soft. And then you have a few of the other attachments. I thought this one was really unique. I haven't seen one of these dome brushes with any of the cleaning brushes that I've seen. So I think this one's going to be really, really good, especially if you're in a soft corner. And then you also have this one, which I think would be more of just a concentrated. It's a smaller flat brush, but the bristles are nice and stiff, which is appreciated. So you'll be able to really get in and clean effectively. This one also has a corner piece up top, which is great because that'll get you into the corner of your shower. And then also this one is going to be your big flat brush, which again, you can use primarily. This is probably the main one that I will be using personally, just because it covers a lot of space. And then over here you have an additional bracket. This might be for mounting, just so that you can mount. And then you do have your adapter as well. And this one is another soft one. I'd say this one would also be, again, if you're cleaning like a glass door or maybe a mirror. And then over here you get, of course, another battery, which is awesome. So just say that you're cleaning, battery runs out, you have another one. You don't have to charge the first one. So I really, really appreciate that. Here's some bracket options. So again, just in case you wanted to mount it on the bracket, you have that option if you want to mount it on the wall. And then here's the other piece. So you simply just attach all of these together, and I'll show you exactly how to do that a little bit later. But again, I love the pink on this. I think it's just a beautiful, vibrant pink. And then here is the other attachment. I like that there's a little lanyard on it as well. So if you needed to grab it that way, you can do so. And here's an additional mounting piece, and then you have hardware as well that comes with it, which is appreciated. And then this is the piece that you're going to use to just Velcro on some of those different pads when you're using the brush. There are 3 pieces for the handle, so you simply just have to connect them. They are very easy to connect, so you have an end on one that just slides into the end of another one, and you will hear a click just to validate that it is indeed connected, and you can tighten it or loosen it as you desire. There is an extender on this, which is awesome, so just in case you needed to clean a really high area of the shower or low area in the bathtub, you don't have to bend over for that. I'm just putting the last piece on and making sure that is nice and tight. On the other end, there is this area here that if you wanted to adjust the head, so just say that you wanted to do 90 degrees because you're trying to get into a corner, you're able to do that, and you can adjust it as needed depending on your preferences. So very versatile brush. That's going to come in handy when you are cleaning. And then this is how you put the attachments on. So you simply just pop them on and they will stay nicely. Again, you'll hear the click as well to validate that it is on. Here's the LED screen. It is nice and bright, but this will show you the battery life, and you can switch from low, medium to high on the brush itself. I usually start just by spraying some shower cleaner and letting it sit for a bit. So here I am going in with a brush. And again, I love that I can adjust the angle on it and also add the extender if I need to get an area that's a little bit higher for me. So it's easy within reach. And then I like that I can also extend it so that I don't have to bend over as far when I'm cleaning the floor. That makes it so it's really, really easy also. So I did put the other attachment on, the corner one specifically for this area here, just to make sure, again, I'm able to get deep into those corners. And that attachment is great because it's very pointy and it's very stiff also, so very good at getting the corners and maneuvering around the shower also. So here I'm going to go ahead and just clean the glass. So I'm using one of the pads. Again, this is more soft and more delicate for the delicate areas of the glass of the door here, as you can see there, but it works very well. Again, super lightweight. I love that I have that extra battery, so if it does run out, I don't have to charge it. I have a backup battery to use. Here is the final result, and I'm really, really happy with it. I'm so excited to use this brush. It works on the inside. It works on the delicate areas. Definitely recommend. I really like this one.